Hello, lovely people. Welcome to Akosia's Tasty Recipe. So, if you're a new subscriber, you're welcome to my channel. So, for today, I will be sharing with you how I made this churros recipe. Let's get started. These are the list of ingredients I will be using for this recipe. The first thing to do is to add 1.5 cup of water in your saucepan, and then you add your butter, salt, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Stir everything together and then bring it to a boil. Once the water boils, add your flour and then stir consistently to form a dough. It's just like how you cook bangkong. Please make sure to stir consistently to prevent lumps. Okay, so at this point the dough is formed, and then I'll transfer it to my mixer and then I will cream it. Yes, make sure to cream for a few seconds before you add the eggs, so that the eggs will not be cooked because there is a lot of heat from the dough. So add your egg in baked and then keep on beating or creaming. Please make sure to scrape the side and the bottom so that everything will be well mixed. From there, I will add my vanilla. I'm using vanilla clear. You can use any other vanilla that you prefer. So I'll give it a whisk and then it's ready. I will transfer this into my piping bag and start frying. So I'm using the start tip nozzle. So I will just put some of the mixture inside the piping bag. Whilst I'm doing this, my oil is also on the fire. So this is a deep fry. Make sure to heat your oil ahead. Okay, so this is the technique. You pipe and then you cut. You pipe and then you cut. It doesn't need to have a perfect shape. Churros has funny shapes, so that is how it is. You fry until it's golden brown. Once the other side cooks, you turn for the other side to cook. It doesn't really fry for so long. Make sure your oil is hot so that it will not be soggy. So the first batch is done. I will be putting them on my paper towel and then I will do another one. Yes. So you do that until the mixture is done. Also, please make sure not to pipe too much into the oil. Do it one at a time and then gently. This will give the piped one space to fry beautifully. Okay, so once I have some churros fried, I'll go ahead and make my cinnamon sugar. I'm using 1 cup of sugar and then 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder. So I will be coating my churros with this cinnamon sugar. So make sure to do this whilst the churros is hot so that the sugar can stick to it simply and beautifully. So this is how to go about it. So I will be adding the next batch of the churros. Fry until everything is done. So whilst you fry, then you coat. Whilst you fry, then you coat until it's done. Okay, so my churros is ready and then beautifully coated. So I served with some chocolate ganache. You can also use caramel or any sauce that you prefer to have with your churros. Yes, let me show you how it is. It was so crunchy and then the inside was soft. I really love it because of the cinnamon. Yes, I really love cinnamon. Alright, so that's the end of this recipe. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share. God bless you all and stay tuned for more recipes. Bye bye.